Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. So today is June the 20th and the chart of the day for today is silver right here, 60 minutes time frame. So we are seeing the metal currently pulling back and soon can reach the 100% extension in 3 swings. So from here 1, 2, 3. And here is the 100% extension area between 36 and 35.4, and we can find support from here, extends higher again afterwards. Now first of all, okay, so that's very simple. So this is basically the support zone, okay, again, ideally it doesn't go below 35.40 because that's the 161.8 extension, usually signaling a wave 3 of some kind if we reach that level. Now if I zoom out, looking at the daily, since we bottomed in 2020, 5 years ago, right, we continue to make a high, and actually we just have a explosion to the upside here not too long ago, right? I mean, just starting in June, like we finally took out this previous peak back in 2024. So this is a bullish market, right? No question about that. So if we just simply take a look at the rally, and the rally is impulsive. So now if we focus our attention to just simply this rally starting from April this year, what do you see here? Now I see 1, 2, but I don't see 4 and a 5, right? So you can see the size of the 2, and then this looks to be within the wave 3 still, right? And if you let's say measuring the extension, we are still at the 100% extension here, right? So it's only wave 3, and I don't see a 4 and a 5 yet from this low. And because we break the new high, I'm expecting at the least a 5 ways up measure from this low. So that means we should be at least getting a 5 ways up, which we don't. So I think overall then I would say it is a bullish market, and therefore any pullback most likely going to continue to find buyers in 3711, right? And right now this pullback, we are able to identify the connector here and measure the possible support zone, which is between 35.40, 36. From here we either go to new high if we get filled, right, if we can reach, or we can just rally like this but fails to break the new high and then reverse again, right? So let's say now we don't know what the exact level is. A lot of people want to know it can be somewhere in the middle. Who knows what the exact level is, like this, right? So it can either go to new high or bounce but fail and go down again. Now in that case you're gonna get bounce anyway from this area and then pull back again, collapse again. Now if that's the case, this is what we call a double correction. That means the pullback is going to become a bigger 1, 2, 3. Itself will be finding further support at the next, same thing, 100% extension area. Again, it doesn't really change the idea. It's still a bullish market, regardless, however deep deep the correction is going to take. It doesn't change the idea. We break the new high, and this is only 3 swing. So like I said, if we do something like this, right, in the daily, that will look like this, right? In case it rallies and fail and go down, then that will be rallies, fail and go down, then it becomes a bigger 3 swing, right? Like 1, 1, 2, 3. Does it change the bullish view or bullish price? It's not, right? It's not. So it still remains to be bullish regardless, and will continue to find support. Now sometimes a lot of people want to know exactly, precisely all the ups and downs in the smallest time frame, which is not possible. Like for example, if it is going to do double, people believe we or anybody should know, oh, it's going to reverse again, it's not enough, it's not nobody knows. I mean, from here we can either go to new high or bounce and drop again due to a bigger correction. But even if it does, then it's going to still follow the principle. Pullback always is going to be 3 swing, is going always to find support at the 100% extension area. Okay, so that's the update here, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on silver or any other commodities, indices, forex, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. This is our website, which I will provide the link in the description of the video. You can try our 14 days trial by clicking here, only 99 cents if you are new members, or you can check our plans and pricing after the trial here to compare, as well as checking the different educational classes we have right here. Okay, so I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice weekend, everyone.